Nice day to be working outside today, guys. So we've got this 23 reg Peugeot in for a heater matrix issue. It's really supposed to be under warranty, but Peugeot can't get it in. Let's have a look. 23 reg. Check the size of it. QE2. Right, guys, in order to get this heater matrix out, obviously, but as you probably bear in mind, it's in behind the dash panel itself. So let's have a look where the dash panel is. Look at the effort gone into that there, guys, to get the heater matrix out of the van. Probably that's why they didn't want to do the warranty work, eh? Hey, so we've got Big Zach on this one. That's what we've had to take out here. So that's the heater exchange box. Let's show us where the leak is, Zach.
Leak at the bottom there, back of the heater matrix, leaking into the bottom of the cabin for the customer. Noticed a small leak when hot. As you can see, a bit of residue from the orange. Sweet. Full box because it's welded in.
Good. Do you reckon we'll build that back up nice and neat?
Couple of hours.